Do you check your phone quite often, even without ringing or vibration? Do you feel preoccupied with cell phone use? Do you get annoyed, tensed, angry or depressed when your phone or network is unreachable? If so, then you are addicted to cell phone use. In this video we will discuss how smartphone can seriously affect your life and some useful tips to stay safe. This is Infogenic, and welcome to our channel. There is no doubt in saying that smartphones have totally changed the face of life today. They have made many tasks simpler and efficient, as compared to before. But along with that, they have posed few threats to our daily life. They have some negative effects on our psychological and physical health. We will discuss them one by one, and we'll see how can we stay safe from these harmful effects. The first negative effect of smartphones is on our quality of life, by affecting our sleep pattern. Our bodies are programmed naturally for sleep in darkness, and wake up in the light. This cycle is controlled by a hormone, known as melatonin. Melatonin is released in darkness and induces sleep. The light emitted from smart screens have more proportion of blue light. Blue light has more penetrating power, thus more effectively blocks melatonin release, and leads to insomnia. Here are some tips to avoid this problem. Set an alarm, and stop using smart screens at least 1 hour before bed. Use blue light blocking glasses. Switch phone to night mode, or install light filtering applications. Reduce the brightness of your phone. By following these simple tips, you can effectively manage your cell phone-induced insomnia. The second harm of using smartphones is directly to our close relationships. These devices were designed to bring relationships closer, but they are doing exactly opposite. When someone has divided attention or spent his home time by using smartphone, it gives a feeling of being less important to his real relationships. Thus it affects our real-life relationships, such as with partners, parents, children and friends. It in turn leads to serious consequences. This damage to our relationships can also be avoided. It needs much discipline and determination. One needs to allocate specific times for office, and for home. Keep important calls and meetings at office time only, and strictly avoid smartphone at home for making such calls and conversations. Keep home time dedicated to family and closer relationships. This will build up mutual understanding, and keep our relationships happy. Third harm that these devices do to us, is known as Sulfitis. It is an urge to keep taking best shots of oneself, and share on social media platforms. This psychological condition affects mostly teens, and smartphone plays a key role in developing this condition. Teenage can be a time of social anxiety and depression. Most teens with such depression fell prey to smartphone applications that allow them easy access to portray their ideal image to the world. Many free picture editing tools help teens to promote themselves, and in return get likes and comments from others. This gives them a dopamine surge and feeling of happiness. This cycle continues and intensifies, which leads to a condition known as Sulfitis. Till date, there are many reported casualties that happened just while taking the best selfie shot. Luckily, this harm can also be managed effectively by diagnosing it, and manage accordingly. If more than half of your pictures are selfies, then most probably, you are suffering from this condition. You can manage it by trying to increase face-to-face contacts with people. It's a better way to know people, as compared to through smart devices. Also, get yourself involved in some physical activities, like sports or arts, to express your hidden talent and energies. Fourth psychological effect of smartphones is creating depression and anxiety. It provides an easy access to others' personal life through different social media platforms. People start comparing their lives with the lives displayed online, which are exaggerated and modified. This leads to development of psychological conditions, such as depression and anxiety. This negative effect of smartphones can also be managed by teaching limits of its use at an early age. Secondly, understanding that no one is perfect. People show only their perfect aspect online, and the other side is still there, though not displayed. Third, practice anxiety reduction activities, such as yoga, sports etc. This will help to avoid damaging effects of smartphones on psychology. These were few harmful effects of smartphone on our psychological health. Our objective is to identify and address the negative effects of these smart devices, so we will be able to enjoy its benefits, while preventing any harm to ourselves. We hope that this video will help the viewer in engaging with these smart devices in a more safer way.
Thanks for watching. For more interesting videos, Please press subscribe and bell icon to get notified.